Welcome back, session 25. Go ahead and share the screen and dive right into it. We'll go ahead and from our hot stock list, see what valuation that we can come up using the quick eval. And how we do that, we go to Yahoo Finance, find out the outstanding shares. So 3 billion. And then the shares outstanding, I'm sorry, the enterprise value is 3 billion and the shares outstanding is 42 million. So we just type that in. $23 million. And there you go. And that's it. That's why it's a quick evaluation. That's how quickly it goes. ZTO, do the same thing. Hopefully your weekend's going good. And the purpose of this is to see where we're at, see if how big the ceiling is from the quick evaluation to the price in the market. So here we got 16.7 billion and the shares outstanding 812. We'll call it 813 million. 13 million. Go. That's how quickly it happens. Okay, CNXC. Cool. 8 billion there. 8 billion, 67 million. 8 billion. 8 billion. 67 million. Just like that, that's done. Franco's been done for us already. And the rest are caught up. Cool beans. We'll work on the yield and the timing. All right, cool. Unfreeze that, and we'll get right into it. So, figured out these. I think everything is done now. And we'll figure out the quick evaluation here. 130. Box factory. 3 billion. 3 billion, 23 million. See if that's right. Box factory. 3 billion. 42 million. Just looked a little off, so there we go. Do that, $71. That's a lot better. Okay. So that goes to show you that the quick eval is pretty close to what the market values the stock at. So there, it's a little lower than the $20 we're after. No big deal there. ZTO is right in line with it, and 119, a little more than the valuation of the market. All right, let's look at the timing of these. Now we got to go with the timing of these guys, the ones that are not filled in. We'll do that work. Box factory. Box F. Great. So we got 49 to 127. Timing's pretty good there. Go to the summary. See where we're at their summary. I like to go like 5 years out is fine. And there you have it. So you're going, we want $80. So how many times? It was 120 earlier on last year, March, and then again in July. And then for whatever reason, it just had fall swoop down. Let's check. I'm interested to check the momentum just to see what that looks like in the last year. Yeah, so for whatever reason, there's just a huge downturn. Don't know why that was. Yeah, down earnings. Let's pull up the earnings real quick. See what that looks like. Right? Factory earnings, quarterly, 83, 94, 99. A little less than last year, but nothing too outrageous. 486, 390. Yeah, a good incremental swing up in the right direction. So no problem there. I don't know what the momentum is. I guess we'll have to figure that one out. But as far as timing goes, yeah, I'm very, very impressed. I think we came in at a good time. I'm going to give it a B. Scored a money. We still have to check on that. We got the earning per share growth, and then the time. Okay. So on Fox Factory, we got B and B. Yeah, because timing and target price, I think we are coming in at a good time, and the target price seems good too. And then these guys earning per share growth. Figure out that real quick. Fox Factory. So started with 2017, $1.15, 46 dollar to go. I'd say close to 390, 115 to 390. See what that looks like. $34%. That's good. Nice gains for Fox Factory. And the way they did it is very impressive. I'd give them a solid B for that. Just go through these other two companies here. And then, like I said, Monday, Tuesday, we'll start making phone calls and seeing what these companies are all about and seeing how they impact human lives. And if they're making a difference and how they're doing products or their services will determine, where I value them going forward as an investor. So let's see, ZTO, that one real quick. ZTO also trending down around that same time, but the earnings are up, which is awesome. 13.4 for PE. 19, yeah, we're capturing an awesome time here. I guess the question is, in the last 5 years, how often have they hit our number that we're looking for? We'll load that up real quick, see what that looks like. Five years. At 29 a couple times here. 32. They're at the height, January 25th at 38. So very good. Definitely the last couple of years, they displayed they can hit that number. Let's see what that looks like there. 24 is all we're looking for 20%. I give them an A there, and then let's check the earnings, see what that looks like. And then we'll do the same thing for that last company. And then I'll call it for today's session. ZTO, okay, good idea there. Let's look at the annual. So 2017, he started at 68, $85.04, had a slump a couple of years there and back down. And I would say my guesstimate would be like $1.80 for this year. So 68 cents to $1.80. $1.80. 20, call it 24%. And the way you got there, they had a couple years of lag, so maybe a B minus. They're overall good though. Awesome. And then CNXC, see what that looks like. Yeah, and that's what I do, guys. Just every day, just do a little homework. Don't overwhelm yourself. Just try to put in, 15, 20 minutes, and then that's enough legwork to make a difference. So 14.5 PE, yield 1.16, 97.05. Yeah, the timing could be a little better. Let's see how likely it is that they hit our number like of 120. CNXC. CNXC. Concentrix. 5 years. Okay. So yeah, 150 at one point, and then just 2 years in March, $201. So they definitely hit our number. Solid B rating here. Yeah, timing and target price. 70, yeah, maybe a C would be like it for that. Maybe a C. I'm pretty happy with the target though. I think seeing them at $200 just within the last 2 years gives me confidence that they could hit that number again. Let's look at their earnings, see what that looks like. Okay, so it's a newer company. So 2018 we have, so 94 cents. 94 cents to 8.34. Just a ridiculous showing. I would really love to find out what they do and what services they provide to have this type of success. $3, $4.69. They're going to get around $6 to end the year. No big deal. 94 cents to $6. That's just incredible. In 6 years. See what that looks like. 102%. That's just ridiculous. But they are a new company, so I do expect them to hit a solid number. And the way they got their 294, 227, just a straight ramp up. A little downslide this year. So I don't know, maybe a B plus, but overall, that's just real phenomenal growth. So that wraps it up for today's session. Just looking at these three companies, doing a little more legwork, finding out more about them. And then Monday, I'll jump on the phone, I'll record these conversations I have and figuring out, where they go for here, if they can keep up the same momentum, because I feel like, we could get a investment of 20% or higher going forward. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.